Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And Rusty with my helper. I've never... Let's go to Brown Bear.
Guess what?
Here you go.
Yeah, you talk to him. Talk to him.
Okay.
If you say
Hey, what's up, bud?
Give present.
Of course. Time to exchange these gifts. Let's see what you got me this year. Whoa! A year subscription to Amazon Prize. I'll get so much out of this, you have no idea. Thanks, buddy. Here's a little something I know you're gonna love as well. Star Jelly, thank you. No. No. Apply bees. Okay, so this guy, he gives me quests. So I'm guessing that all me quests. Is that right, Rusty?
Oh, the owner also gives you quests.
There's a royal jelly up there. See ya, sucker! They can't get down here. Or there's some sort of invisible force field.
I bought the mayonnaise jar.
I'm gonna give it.
And I have the mayonnaise jar and
Let's give it to you.
Okay.
Yes. Gifted Hasty Bee.
oh
A Hasty Bee's good.
no.
Oh, it's so cute, sort of.
Did you know
Where is your
your
mouth?
blacker bee is stronger than the hasty bee?
But it's gifted, so I'm guessing when it's gifted, it lights up at the back. That makes sense.
Or the front.
Oh, the front, yes. So Rusty told me a couple of codes that there are, and they give you a couple of things. So he said there was Buzz. I did Buzz. There was Meow.
I did crafty.
Crafty, or the Crafty's one.
I did not crafty. Okay, that's enough. I know Bob Master,
No.
but dude, Bob Master is not a really good code. It just gives you stupid tickets.
But what can you do with tickets?
Just
Wow,
buy-
that gave me a lot of things. If you guys can see in the corner there. Crafty Bot Master. I know how is it capital or something. There was, which else did you tell me? He said Roof. Woof. That was Roof.
I didn't know.
Roof. Have tickets, and that's all that he told me. There's a ticket up there, but I can't get it. Can I? No, I can't. Okay. Now that I've done that, oh, I'm faster. Whoa! I'm way faster. So, let's see what we got. We got 5 tickets, gumdrops, red extract, blue extract,
I got a demo.
pineapples, jelly.
I got a demo bee. No! Buy 2 eggs. Buy 2 eggs.
Okay, I'm going.
I got a demo bee.
What's a demo bee? That sounds cool.
It's kind of like a bee except stronger. You can buy the mayonnaise.
I hope you guys can hear me very well. If not, then I'm just gonna start yelling into the... Whoa, that scared me. That was so unexpected.
And
Don't do that anymore. Okay, let's put up eggs. Wait, doesn't it... Wait, this question just slipped my mind. But where do bees... I don't think bees come from eggs. Wait, I'm confused. Let's see. Do you know?
No.
I don't know. You guys in the comments. This is kind of stupid question. It just slipped my mind. But how do you? Oh, 8 bees. Okay. So
Also,
why don't we just
basic
collect
bee
a bit
likes
more
some
money. So far, we're going pretty well. I got another bee and the jar. Oops, the jar and a pair of scissors. So let's see if scissors work out. Oh, that's much quicker than which is bubbles flying through the air. Okay, this is much better than one container full already. That just shows how good these scissors are, or how bad the backpack is.
But I have better bees.
So I have 2,000 honey. I saw in the store that there was something really cool that makes you go faster. And it's back here. Costs almost about 5,000. We can easily save up for that. But what I'm worried about is blueberries. Where do you... So I know that you get blueberries from...
Blue fields.
Yeah, the blue field. But...
Any blue fields.
Any? Okay. And... So, let's save up for that, and it makes you go way faster. And it'd help quite a bit. So here's a blue field. Okay guys, so something just exploded, and there's all these really cool things, and blueberries and all this stuff, and I need to get
There's
this
roll jellies.
blueberry. Roll jellies.
There's roll jellies.
Oh my god. Blueberry, I need to get this blueberry. Blueberry. Yes. I said blueberry. No, it's all gone. You took it, didn't you?
Scroll down. How much blueberries do you have?
Two. I need one more. Da-da-da.
My phone is burning up, man.
Rusty has an old phone that my grandma gave him. So it's like extreme, like here, take it, mess around with it. And it's like burns up in like 5 minutes.
Oh, it burns up in
So apparently from these
it burns up in 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, 2 hours if you say so.
I need to leave it alone.
So apparently you get quests from this bear dude.
Do not dare do.
Did it? I have a quest. Collect 5,000 pollen from the mushroom field.
Okay.
Where the hell is the mushroom?
It's the one you did on Obby on. I'm doing some more black bear quest. My second quest. It's my second quest I haven't done.
Is that a lion?
Lion.
Wings? That's so cute.
It's called Lion Bee. Honeybee!
Oh my god.
Honeybee actually gets you 1,000 per gift. Right.
Okay, so this bar has to fill up all the way to green, so we can get the I don't know what the hell he's gonna give us.
The wild jelly.
The what?
The wild jelly. The wild jelly. Oh, 2 people left.
Go.
Make honey.
Stand around and I have no idea what he's doing.
Because they're not making honey. Look, my backpack.
I'm gonna make honey, please.
My bees
Mama
actually-
needs the money. The honey
Backpack
very
can fill really quick.
I have the same as you, but I'm good.
I have the same
bread,
tool.
sweetie.
No,
I don't want bread.
This is so sad.
Rusty just went.
Like,
Oh, I want that tool. I'm gonna bother this person.
oh
I'm
no.
just gonna follow you around. I'm not gonna step on that, otherwise I'm doomed.
No, you.
No.
No, you. Remember, you never played this game, so you can do it.
What? But I already have a quest. I don't want to do this at one time.
Yeah, I'm kind of already finished.
Oh my god, he's got wings. I just.
Bee bear. He's a bee.
Can I follow you around now? No, I almost did.
He's gonna go to a different area so you can die.
Like, how ironic is this? VIP Girl Pro, and I've got 4 bees. But these guys! Look at this dude!
Oh, look at my hive.
Scratch that hive. This is my one. I will strike any moment. Right!
Alex,
Oh, it's
you wanna see my hive?
nighttime.
Do you want to see my hive? It's really cool. It's my.
Let's
my
buy another bee.
5 bees.
5 bees, I can go to the area. Oh,
No!
there. Yes! Boom! Whah!
Hi.
What was that? Whah!
Alex, do not leave. You're staying in this area.
No, I'm not. Watch me leave.
No, please don't.
Watch
Don't.
me, sucker. No. Rascal. Now let's go. Da-na-na-na. Da-na. Now I can go to the... Ha! It's green for me.
And it's actually yellow for me. Nah, it's also.
It's go, go, go.
I have 10 bees.
Yellow me. So be quiet.
I have yellow bees.
Ah!
I have 10. I can go to the 10
Oh, this
bee
is cool.
I could actually glitch through the 10 bee area.
Is this like... I think this is another...
I can go to.
Oh my god, no.
I can go. I
Don't
can go
touch me.
Bee area.
I
So
know.
you can't betray me.
How come you have 4 bees?
I don't. But I just evict my bees. Evict them. You're gonna evict the bees?
She said there's something in the cave. So I'm in
Nothing.
there now. and a ticket.
There's another ticket on the shop, and you know that stairs to the 15B area?
Where?
There. Climb up there.
But I can't go. Oh, there's the ticket. Okay.
Mostly.
There we go. Got a ticket.
You pay me $5.
What?
I told you all the codes. So you should repay me some.
I think there might be a bit more codes than that.
Oh, I didn't told you some codes. It's so OP. It gives you
Okay,
$1
Rusty.
million honey.
I guys think we should wrap it up right here. We've played for a bit more than 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much. Next video, again, if you guys want to. If you don't want to, just say it down in the comments below. I won't. And see you guys next video. Bye, guys.